Hi everyone! Welcome to G Street Fabrics, your source for creative inspiration. I'm Saba, the creative director here, and today I'll be giving you a full tour of G Street Fabrics. Here at G Street Fabrics, we believe every fabric has a story waiting to be told, and we're here to help you bring your vision to life. Whether you're an experienced sewist, beginner designer, or someone who loves textiles, we have something just for you. Come inside and see what we have to offer. From our top-of-line fabrics, sourced from all over the world, to our high-quality accessories of all different types for all different machines and fabrics, we have everything that you need for your sewing and crafting projects. We are literally a one-stop shop. At G Street Fabrics, we pride ourselves on being more than just a store. We have a community of passionate creators working here, looking forward to helping you find what you need for your next project. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are the best at helping find what you need and helping be your source of creative inspiration. So make sure to join us here in Rockville and meet one of our amazing team members. As you walk further into our store, you'll find our fashion fabric section with our extensive selection of fabrics. We are proud to offer so many different types of fabrics, from denim blends to specialty evening wear fabrics to polyester blends of all different types, poly chiffon, polyester charmeuse, and cotton. We have cotton by the tons. So if you're interested in quilting or using cotton in your home decor projects, or a nice, lovely button-down shirt or two-piece set, we have so many different types of cotton, including many different types of cotton novelty, from seersucker to piqué and eyelet, to make sure that your project is as unique as possible. I almost forgot to mention our wonderful remnant section. All of the amazing quality fabric that you see in this room is sourced from around the world. This is dead stock fabric, loose fabric that there won't be any more made out of. It gets sent here to us because it is the last of what the manufacturers have. And we give it to our customers for a very low price of $2.97 a yard. In this section, we have all different fabrics, from linen, cotton, rayon, spandex, to wool, denim, and 100% cotton canvas. All different types of fabric can be found in this section at a very low price of $2.97 a yard. So make sure to come visit us at G Street Fabrics in Rockville, Maryland to check out this section yourself. It is constantly updating multiple times a week, and all of this fabric is just waiting for you to come check it out. Another amazing thing that we have to offer here at G Street Fabrics is our home decor section. In this section, we have fabrics specific for home decorating and upholstery and draping, as well as supplies to help you DIY your own accessories in your house. So we have everything from different pins and nails to use, decorative accessories like finishing rings and rubber mallets to help you with your projects, glue guns, hooks, heavy-duty staplers. So we make it easy for you to finish all your projects in-house yourself. And we also have an extensive selection of home decor fabrics. We have sections with fabrics as low as $7.97, and we have an entire back wall of fabrics called the Great Back Wall where we have many rolls of fabrics for just $15 a yard. So if you join us in the home decor section and you hit the back wall, you'll see a long wall full of all fabrics priced at $15 a yard. These again are fabrics perfect for home decor, upholstery, and draping. But you can use them for anything, and that's the lovely thing about fabric. One of the really amazing things about G Street Fabrics is our custom offerings. For years, we've had these in-house services, and a lot of people don't know about them. We partner with local neighboring businesses to offer our customers in-house services to go along with the fabrics. Our services include custom upholstery, pillows, slip covers, bedding, and window treatments like custom drapery. You can find out and get a quote for all of these services right at the checkout counter when you're cutting your fabric. So you can get a quote for exactly how much the upholstery of your couch at home would be at the same time that you're selecting your fabric. So make sure to come in to G Street Fabrics in Rockville, Maryland, and talk to our wonderful staff members to get a quote for your service today. At G Street Fabrics, we couldn't do anything with the fabrics without the right machine. And that's where our sewing machine department comes into play and is so important. We are an official Bernina dealer, which means on our floor, we have many different models of Bernina machines for you to come and check out. We have everything from sewing machines, embroidery machines, serging machines, and specialty quilting machines. This is our newest Bernina B990, which just came out in early 2024. We have the newest floor model available for you to check out, and all of its cool advanced features like a 13-inch touchscreen display, automatic sewing, new and improved giant hoop for embroidery, and the travel cases. So you can check it out before you commit to buying. And we have financing options available for almost all of our machines. So if you're interested in a new sewing machine, you should definitely come check out our floor. And don't forget to visit the wall of notions that has all different presser feet, needles, thread for machines, from regular sewing machines to upholstery. And everything that you need can be found down here or upstairs on our fashion fabrics floor. So, one thing that I almost forgot to mention about our sewing machine department is that we have an on-site technician who can repair any machine. So if you have a sewing machine and you don't know what's wrong with it, where you're going wrong, or why it's making that noise, feel free to give us a call or come on into our location with your machine, and our official technician can take a look. So, if you've enjoyed everything that you've seen from this video about G Street Fabrics, come give us a try. We might just be your new favorite fabric store. So, visit us online at gstreetfabrics.com or in store on Wilkins Ave in Rockville, Maryland. Hope to see you soon. And last but definitely not least, backed by popular demand, sewing classes are back at G Street Fabrics. We have an extensive and versatile schedule of classes on a month-to-month rotation. Check us out on Eventbrite or on our website, gstreetfabrics.com, to see the plethora of classes. We have classes for experienced sewists, beginner sewists, and people with no experience at all. We have our Introduction to Sewing class made available every Saturday at 3 p.m. for anyone with any experience to either learn how to sew from scratch with a brand new Bernina 335 or Burnett B05 machine provided, or we have our Beyond the Basics class, which is specific to different sewing techniques like hemming, attaching buttons and zippers, understanding patterns, and a specialty alterations and mending class. All of these Beyond the Basics classes are 1 hour long sessions, and the fee for most of the classes is only $29. I invite you to check out our selection of classes. We want to make sure that everyone knows that your source of creative inspiration is here at G Street Fabrics. So check out our class selection online today. Thank you so much for watching this full tour of G Street Fabrics. We invite you into our store to check out our fashion fabrics, home decor, and extensive list of offerings. We hope to continue to be your source of creative inspiration. So check us out online at gstreetfabrics.com or visit our store in Rockville, Maryland. We hope to see you soon.